full-range grinding. Stepless speed adjustment. Titanium-coated burrs. G64Plus Coffee Grinder, every cup matters. Your first cup of coffee in the morning should never be compromised. A quality grinder decides whether it's rushed and careless, or brewed with anticipation. With 150 stepless grind settings, every flavor finds its perfect expression. Adjust the RPM freely, from 600 to 1600, to discover the balance that's uniquely yours. Uses commercial-grade brushless motor, powerful and efficient. 64mm versatile large flat burr covers full range from espresso to pour over. Whether it's a 58mm portafilter or a dosing cup, seamless compatibility. Better to use, better to taste. Crafted for those who care, perfecting every cup. Magnetic outlet, effortless to remove, effortless to clean. Inner and outer anti-static devices. No more flying powder, no more clinging. Hot water gently rains down, the grounds bloom in the filter, and the aroma slowly fills the air. Coffee drips through the channel, each drop carrying the taste of time. G64Plus Grinder, bringing you a coffee flavor that